Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good
You
evening,
guys,
sir.
you have seen the advanced paper. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How is it?
Very tough, sir. Very tough.
So, understood these type of questions, the 90-second rank, those people used to play like anything. So, the involvement, once you are come from, I think maths and chemistry, you won't feel that much difficult
Yes, sir.
because they gave papers easy. Because what I heard from the students, is generally maths and chemistry, they'll give easy papers only. Final exam, you'll be knowing, but that's a different issue. So, physics, I only made that paper. I purposefully make to up to the level of advanced. So I won't compromise on that. I just posted for you to get the alert what work you have to do. Okay. Yeah, still you have time now, don't worry much about that. But put in your work without rest. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You're postponing the assignments given in, that's what I'm warning. Be careful with this. Right. So in the last class, what is that? We are doing.
Potential at ring.
Okay, on the axial point. Right. Now, let us take the case of a disk. Still, you have time. Now, usually, people will ask, no, what rank that fellow got, what rank this fellow, but nobody asks before the exam what is that fellow has done. Did you ever observe?
Yes, sir.
You'll be seeing a topper photo is talking and all, but behind that, what work he has done, you should appreciate that, no. So before this one, I'm telling you, the work you have to do is a lot. Now this is a disk. Okay, because the IIT fellow, the paper is always into a shop. The student will be seeing all new questions. Now you can see that even in net also you won't get the questions. What I gave that now. If you want, you can search. Why I give is because outgoing batches, no, they should not try malified intentions. So always IIT papers will be like shock only to the student. One who has subject, he can easily do it. There's no doubt in that. Only thing, one thing, man, attend the classes regularly, do the given work, time to time. Don't delay. If you delay it, now what will happen is that freshness will go. Today I taught on concept. Immediately open your book, complete that. Now we want to know this. So here the this is nothing but you read the question, they're interesting now.
Yes, sir.
Actually if you read that question, it appears that you know, but you can't. If you cooperate, we can do wonders. See here, this is a disk. So here is a surface. Now what you'll have? Agreed. Now how to find this here? Can you tell? Usually that's where you use your mind. What you should do? Already you know about ring, no? So we'll use that process. We'll consider one ring because there several rings make what? A disk, no? So suppose this ring is some y, this width is dy. So for this ring, this is the point, no? Do you agree with this or not? So what is the charge on the elementary ring? Is nothing but dq. Can you tell how much it is? Sigma into area of that. What is area of that? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, due to this element ring, the charge on the ring by what is this distance? You know, no? Morning only we discussed.
Under root of a square plus b square.
The charge on the ring by the charge on the ring, no? Morning we proved this, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here this distance you have to take. What is the distance? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to know the okay. Now here what are the constants? 2 sigma pi here y will be 0 at the center, no? At this point you have y equals radius of the disk. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Completed.
1 minute, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Now you can evaluate this integral. Morning only explain. See, try how to integrate this integral. This one. Here x square is constant on, you know.
Yes.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
How to integrate this, man? You will take some t square or something, anything. Okay. Now after that you differentiate this with respect to t. Morning we have done. Remember this.
Yes, sir.
Substitute here. Integral TT is nothing but T only, no? Agreed?
Sir.
Therefore, the potential is nothing but that integral is y is how much we got? Following this or not?
Following.
Got this? See?
God.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, return this.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, just refer your notes. See, we got an equation here. So actually, this will be like this. See, this should be the answer. By mistake, I wrote a cross multiplied. I wrote something. Just make the correction.
Where it is Q1, Q0 cell in notes.
Hmm?
Sir, instead of Q2, there is Q0.
Okay, we'll keep that one. Anyhow, this what I have done is I multiplied, cross multiplied. So this is wrong actually. Some student has referred to took a photo of the notes and he sent correction is needed. So these type of privilege issues, so you try to complete it. Any error is there, you can bring it to my notice. Calculations will know by cancelling some mistake has happened. Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir, understood.
Because the boy who sent me, I think his objection is overruled. No? No, I think he's not in the meeting. Okay, corrected this, no? Is this the answer is there in the note? Like this only?
Yes, sir, it is like that only.
Okay, correct this. Now it is correct on this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Wait. See, Okay, so here you can see the 2 points. So here there is some electric field. Now you know that, let this have VA. Can you tell what is the potential energy of this? Suppose we keep a Q here, for example.
Camera is out of focus.
Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Why? Because morning we proved this. Any doubt is there? Electric force is this one, you know. Do you agree with this? Clear?
Yes.
So this is the potential difference. Is it clear? Work done to move a unit charge from point A to B by an external agent is nothing but VB minus VA. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Cleared, sir.
Understood this? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Completed?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please. Yes, sir. Completed.
Great. So that is the reason why work done by an external force. Now, if is a potential B, no? Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
From this only we got there. Morning we got this one already we derived.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Q is electron. This is only what you have come across in chemistry, no?
Yes, sir.
The pathetic situation is without knowing what is volt, what is electron volt, you mucked up. That's the reason why that subject is easy. Understood this? See, suppose this is the electric field. We will discuss it later. Electric field will always come from where to where. It is coming like this means this should be water positive. What will be this? Negative, no?
Negative.
Because the field lines come from
Yes, sir.
positive to negative, no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the
Divergent.
electric field, no? Use your common sense. This is electric field, no? Now electron will be attracted towards this or towards this. This is the tendency, no? Force.
Yes, sir. Yes, positive.
So what is the natural tendency? So by nature, agreed. Clear? So now to
Yes, sir.
move it, positive to negative. It cannot go, no?
Yes, sir. It cannot.
Understood this? Is it clear or not?
Sir, down part is not visible, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, that down part is not visible, sir.
No?
This now this
So work has to be done by an external agent.
Yes, sir.
We'll continue here. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn that?
yes, sir. Complete.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell.
Sir, in the last line, external agent has to supply energy to
To
move
move
an
an
electron
electron
from
from negative to positive.
positive to negative, no, sir.
Positive to negative, correct. Make that correction. Okay, I wrote here.
Yes, sir.
Corrected?
Yes, sir. Corrected.
So now, suppose this is hopeless philosophy. You two won't ask anything. An electron volt means you'll mug up that, I think. So here, suppose this is positive potential. Now, work done to move an electron from in this direction, positive to negative. Agreed?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So final minus initial. No? Initially, this one only positive. Do you agree with this? So here, if it is electron, do you agree with this? This is minus electron charge, no?
yes, sir.
And suppose this different is 1 volt. Okay. This is only we call it as 1 electron volt. Understood this? Understood what is the meaning of electron volt?
Yes,
Sir, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 volt, no, sir.
No, this is joule. This is coulomb, no? So coulomb into volt is joule. Obviously, no, this is volt into coulomb. What is that? You'll get joule, no? Or that is also
Yes,
called as 1
sir.
EV. That is also called 1 EV. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any doubt is there?
No,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Wait. No, just now you have seen that. Agreed. This is nothing but agreed.
Yes, sir.
Because electric force and electric external force are opposite, no? Remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Opposite.
Any doubt is there in this? Wait. So this is nothing but do you agree with this? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still here any doubt?
No, sir.
Here work is done from A to B, no? That is the meaning, no? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Can I write like this? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now suppose if I differentiate, whenever we differentiate, integral will go, no? Differentiate means breaking, integral means adding. When you differentiate,
Yes.
what will you have? Just like log and anti-log. You can remove this, no?
Yes, sir.
That means follow this.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
1 second, sir.
Okay. Is it clear?
If 12 board exam canceled, then how will they take for colleges admission?
Who bothers? They have a rank, no? No, no. Why I'm showing that is that is the value your dirty board exams have in future. From day one, I was insisting this only. 10th class, all this. At least 10th class on you is to prove that you are born on this earth. That is date of birth certificate. This intermediate nowhere it will ask. It's like even tissue paper has some worth it. Because they take based on your entrance exam. Who bothers your intermediate one? Anybody asked you to intermediate for IIT? You studied anywhere such thing abroad? And then your school teachers will tell you should get 10th very good marks. You'll decide your future. They'll say all that bullshit nonsense.
Yes, sir.
That's what to waste your time. Remember, for 15 years you studied zero. I guess I'm observing you now. In physics front, nothing was developed in your brain. Everything is developed in the last 1 year only. No thinking, no reasoning. Actually, your entrance exam plays in that entrance exam. I'm telling, maths and chemistry plus or minus everybody will get the same attempt, same knowledge. But physics decides the rank. Otherwise, why I should tell you so many times? So that later on you should not repent. Unnecessarily I missed. I used to post the final ranks of the students. No, you can see physics only they used to have edge on others.
Yes,
Remaining
sir.
thing will be almost everybody will have same marks. Maths and chemistry. Physics only the people who got more in physics they got the better ranks. Suppose in maths, physics, chemistry example I'm saying. So this fellow got 98 percentile, this fellow got 96 percentile, like that another fellow 99, 98, okay, say 100%, 99 percentile. The fellow who gets here 80, this fellow got 60, this fellow got 50. He will get the rank. That is actually, this decides this. That is the reason I am saying, instead of reading this and losing marks here, don't leave physics. I am saying it supports you a lot, and that decides your rank. You do these two, say you are wearing a very nice dress, everything excellent, bench car, everything. The pant zip is not there. Can you go to a party? Can you
No,
go? Over.
no.
So the beautiness is after all a jeep which may cost hardly 10 rupees. So this is what it decides. That's the reason why I'm insisting. And moreover, I'm from engineering. I have knowledge of complete maths. Okay, I can teach maths in a much applicative way, better way. Because earlier, when this corporate college system is not there, I used to taste physical chemistry, maths, and physics. After this came, we slowly left those subjects. So you don't tell stories about maths to me. I know maths everything. Okay. So knowingly only I'm saying this. Unknowingly I'm not talking. But generally what you will do now, whichever subject you feel tough, you will leave it. That is the problem. Today I think if you are really seeing that paper, sweating will come actually. Every question. I think that's why I posted. You should know what will happen. Modi has cancelled student friendly, it seems, man. See here. Student friendly. So let him cancel IIT also student friendly. We'll see. Huh? Can they cancel IIT?
No.
Why? That is the importance they have. They know these board exams are waste exams. But government is getting money from that. Many politicians are having this business of education. Right. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So now again another aspect we should know. Is the meaning now?
Yes.
What will happen? Suppose you are having an electric field like this. Okay. Now which point is more moment? Agreed. Why? Because distance B is greater distance, no? Similarly, suppose you are having a field like this. Which is farther in the field? Followed this?
Yes, sir.
So that is the meaning. Okay. Shall I turn that?
Completed, sir.
Hmm?
Done, sir.
So now we are having the tagline is now as you go like this. This is theta. We are having 2 points. This is the displacement of this. Now as you move like this along this direction, what happened? Potential decrease. Because this is e cos theta, no?
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning, no?
Yes,
Now
sir.
if theta is 0, what is the meaning of that? What will happen?
Equal to D by dr equal to A.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? So if you move along the direction of the field, potential decrease at a maximum rate. Understood the story or not? Followed?
Followed, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So, suppose the electric field when you move in this way, what is the rated potential decrease?
E cos 60.
Okay, suppose if we have in this direction,
E cos 120.
180, no?
Yes, sir. Sorry,
Agreed.
sir. Yes, sir.
In this direction,
Yes, sir.
agreed. So this is nothing but what is the meaning of this? That means if you move opposite to the field, potential increases, no? Understood, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Following or not?
Like, sir.
See, don't worry. These 2 times classes won't be there. Shortly, I think in a day or two it will be closed because juniors are coming, no? Now because juniors has not yet come, I'm taking. So you can enjoy with a single glass.
No, sir, you can take.
What you see the strength when morning some strength, evening some strength. I don't know what they want to do also. At least the absentees, if they try the paper and ask, tell their score, at least I'll be appreciating. But these people are knowledgeable. That also we don't know. Shall I tell? So whenever need comes, I will take. So shall I proceed further?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
So overall, take this question. Minus 12 joules of work has any suggestions you give for your improvement? Hmm. Shall I conduct on daily test like thing daily on small topic?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
No answer is coming from majority of the students.
Yes, sir.
The preparation of that paper takes nearly 10 days for daily 2 3 hours. We should think and find out how to connect topics. Use people. It's not an easy thing. Outgoing papers are very difficult to prepare because by that time they will write many tests. Now, where from we'll get new questions again? Right. Now, this is the question. Minus 12 against the electric field means which force? External one, no? See, he gave this against means what? This word means external force only, no? Agreed. So that means
Yes,
this
Yes,
is
sir.
sir.
given as minus
Opposite to
12
left.
joules. This is minus 12 joules. This is 0.01 coulomb. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be active, man. Sleepy fellows. You are attending all classes or you're taking decision that you'll read yourself, all that nonsense will be there.
No, sir. We are attending all
Uh,
classes.
to get spoiled sometimes, our mind will work efficiently to get one ideas. So that idea will change your life. That will be knowing later, not now. Attend the classes, get your doubts clarified. Remember how in till 10th class how disciplined you are, you know that, no? Homework, labels, covers to the books, all that remember or not? In intermediate, the thing is because you are unable to do the work homework, you'll pretend to escape from that. For that, what you'll use is, this is not required now. All that you'll only decide. Shall I turn this? I sent one question. You got or not?
Got, sir. Got.
This Sunday I have exam. You know that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, where, sir?
Pardon?
Where is the questions for this Sunday?
Where till potential.
Yes.
Starting from charges till potential. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, shall I go ahead, man?
Yes, sir. Completed.
See, what he says is midway means here, the 1 centimeter now. Is the particle charged? It should hit somewhere, it seems. Okay. Now this is positive, negative. Can you tell the direction of electric field?
Down.
Positive to
So
negative.
therefore, this is the acceleration will be this one, you know. If I
Yes,
take
sir.
this as the x-axis, this as the y-axis, to reach ground, we can write like this. To reach this is nothing but minus 1 centimeter. No? Uy is 0. This is also downward. T square. Okay. Mass of the particle is given. How much is that? Charge of the particle is how much?
1.6 into 10 power minus 94.
What is the electric field then?
Sir.
Positive place minus negative plate. Okay.
Yes.
Given as 300.
D. Because in this direction, what happens? Potential decreases, no? So this is what we have now. This is given as 300. The distance is 2 centimeters. Following or not?
Following.
Follow.
So this comes to this whole thing into 2 is also there, no? Is T. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So once you know this, he is asking parallel to the plate. He is asking you only, no? There is no acceleration in this direction, no? Hello. You will get UX.
Yes.
Understood the method?
Understood that methods.
Do it. How much you are getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, you will be getting this. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Understood.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, why we took D as 2 centimeters, sir?
Huh?
Only that, sir, that particle is moving only 1 centimeter, no, sir. In electric field, sir. Electric field calculation.
Tell.
Why we took D as 2 centimeters, sir?
Dear.
Sir, yes, sir.
Where this
In
2
that
is there, no? 2
no,
is
sir.
this.
Not that one, sir. Electric field calculation. V plus minus V minus by D.
Distance is
Yes,
2
sir.
centimeters, no?
Yes.
Correct or
Yes.
no?
Correct, sir. Understood.
Not, this is the particle projection, but field is from positive to negative, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, electric field potential decrease. That means this is high potential, this is low potential.
Yes, sir.
Followed. So remember that electric potential is minus dV by dr. This indicates that electric field decrease. That means high potential minus low potential by distance between them. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood.
By Sunday, you'll complete up to potential that in the material, all the. I gave an order, no, HC Verma, all that.
Yes, sir.
This year at least complete, man, before exam. Last year you never completed. What, Jasim? Jasim,
Yes, sir. Sir. Yes,
this year at least by Sunday you'll complete. Huh?
sir. Little doubtful, sir. So much work is there, sir.
What, so much work.
I'm, sir. I am very slow, sir. That's why.
So you won't complete by Sunday, then how? What is the use of writing exam without completing work, man?
Yes, sir. That is what I am also thinking, sir.
Not to write exam, huh?
Sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, after notes and that class teaching module and HC Verma, we have to do that workbook no.
Yes, yes. I gave the order, no? Already I typed a message.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That workbook is easy, no?
yes, sir. Less problems are there in that. Here
No, no,
is more.
backside exercise is there, no? See
Yes,
the
sir. I will
exercise.
check. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
you have examples, few, but exercise problems are many others.
Okay, sir.
But in that you select up to potential, what we have done. Okay, I sent another question. Finish that.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Got sir. Two rings.
See, man, there is no other alternative. When the going is tough, the tough gets going. So you have to be, it's life, no? You should take everything in a challenging way, no? Even for me also, do you think teaching in this way is very difficult for your kind of kids? But what to do? I have to take it as a challenging, this teaching. So much. Usually, I should think so many times. If I teach this like, well, these fellows will understand that way. Each is R, it's in this radius. This is also R.
Yes.
And he has given one is positive. The other one is negative. See, easily you can do. Please see. This is center C1, no?
Yes, sir. C2.
See, VC1 plus agreed on it. This is
Due to C1.
agreed. Any doubt is there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Its own center already you have seen that. What is that you have? Potential at the center. Morning we derived. Center means A is 0, no? You will get this only.
Yes, sir.
At a distance,
Yes, sir.
where you take this distance. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Similarly, what is the potential at? So here you find this. Substitute these values. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Correct.
You will get this.
Got sir. Got that.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll continue tomorrow morning. Try to complete the work assigned. Take seriously, man, this year. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seriousness at work, not mental. Enjoy.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Right, right, right.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
bye,
Yes.
bye, 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 bye.